Hi, Alicia here with the Spicy Shelf Deluxe. Today I'm going to show you what's inside the box and help you put it together. It comes with instructions. Feel free to check them out, but I'm going to cover everything that's in here. It comes with 2 complete shelves. You can either use them together or you can use them separately. Each shelf comes with pieces to make it bigger or smaller. It comes with legs to make it shorter, legs to make it taller. It comes with runners for extra support, and it comes with hardware to make it permanent. Everything you see here comes in the Spicy Shelf Deluxe box. Here on this side, this is how it comes pre-assembled out of the box. But over here, I've separated out all the pieces so we can go over them piece by piece. Each shelf includes 2 sides, a right side and a left side. These pieces here are what you use to make it narrower or wider depending on the size of your cabinet. We have short legs, tall legs, a back leg foot, runners for extra support, and the included permanent hardware. In the instructions, the side pieces are labeled E and F. The 3.5-inch center piece for smaller cabinets is labeled AA. The 10.5-inch piece for larger cabinets is labeled A. The 2 2-inch pieces are labeled B, and the 4 1/2-inch pieces are labeled C and D. The short legs are labeled I, and the center back leg is labeled I. The tall legs are labeled G, and the center back leg is labeled G. Your leg supports are labeled H. It's easy, you just snap them together. Didn't I say it would be a snap? Then you slide the sides on. It's just that easy.